Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss Mendes reduction. Mendes reduction, it involves the reduction of cyanide compounds to corresponding amines. So this reduction involves reduction of organic cyanides to primary amines. And the reducing agent used is sodium taken in amalgam form with ethanol C2H5OH, or we simply write sodium with alcohol. So reducing agent in Mendes reduction is sodium with alcohol, and generally alcohol used is ethanol. What is the role of alcohol and what is the role of sodium? Sodium will liberate nascent hydrogen from alcohol. So sodium will react with alcohol to displace nascent hydrogen. This nascent hydrogen will reduce cyanide compounds to primary amines. So the general format of this reaction is RCN. Reducing agent is sodium amalgam with alcohol to form 1 degree amines, or simply primary amines. So in Mendes reduction only primary amines are formed. There is no production of secondary and tertiary amine. How this reaction proceed? As we know, in carbon nitrogen there are 3 bonds, 2 bonds are pi and 1 bond is sigma. Pi bond is a weak bond, so it easily dissociate or break down. So in step 1 we can say this pi bond breaks. As a result, 2 nascent hydrogens are added. Pi bond breaks. As a result, 2 nascent hydrogens are added, 1 to carbon and 1 to hydrogen. So in first step we can say 2 nascent hydrogens are used. Now this product is imine. By breaking down 1 pi bond we formed imine product. It can be further reduced by using 2 nascent hydrogens. This pi bond will break down, and as a result 2 hydrogens are involved. One is given to carbon and one is given to nitrogen. So cyanide to imines, imines to amines. This is a 1 degree amine. So total we can say 4 nascent hydrogens are used. 2 are used in the conversion of cyanide to imines. 2 are used in imines to 1 degree amine. So general format of this reaction is sodium with alcohol this is a Mendes reduction. And one thing more important in this reaction, here we have R group. R can be any alkyl group as well as a aryl group. R can be alkyl as well as aryl groups, right? Let us understand with 2 examples. This is methane nitrile, or we can say acetonitrile. By using 4 nascent hydrogen, it will undergo reduction. So CH3, CH2, NH2. The compound is methane nitrile, but the final product is ethanamine. So in the formed amines, they contain 1 carbon more than a starting material, starting reactant. Here we have methyl group, but here we have a ethyl group, ethylamine. So this method is used, Mendes reduction is used for ascent of amines. Mendes reduction is used for ascent of amines to increase the number of carbon in amines. That is the importance of this reaction. And R group can be any aryl group. For example, we have C6H5Cn. This is a phenyl group. Reduction will involve 4 nascent hydrogen. Condition is again sodium with alcohol. So 2 pi bonds will break down, as a result 4 nascent will. This is our benzyl amine. This group is called benzyl, and NH2 group is amine. So this is a benzyl amine. So reduction of alkyl nitriles as well as aryl nitriles will give us primary amines, and reducing agent used is sodium amalgam with alcohol. That is a complete Mendes reduction. I hope you would understand it. Thanks for watching.